So there's a couple other things that we'll need to do here. You'll notice that this is kind of a really generic template, so you'll want to go in here and configure it with your own information. Otherwise you'll have to do it for each and every single drawing, and there's a chance that you might forget, especially when you're really busy. So now's the best time to do it. So I'll just click here, I'll type explode, and I can see that I need to explode one more time. Now I can go in here and I can modify this. Some of you may have a logo that you want to use, so if you are interested in using a logo, you'll need to insert it. So I'll go up here to the Planning and Analysis workspace, and up here we have Insert, and I'll just choose Image. And let's see if we can find something in here. And I usually save my logo kind of inside of my templates. And my logo happens to be a JPEG. It's nothing special. So I'll click open. And you can kind of ignore the insert units because you can kind of stretch it out to where you want it to go. And let's see where it ended up, way down here. So I'll click on this, I'll type move. And I can turn my snaps on if I want, but I'm not going to. And I'm just going to move it up to here. So I'm still in my paper space, I'm not in my viewport. Whoops. So I'm going to click on this, I'll just make it just a little bit bigger. There we go. Just going to cover this. It'll let me. Oh, that's too big. Maybe I'll do. There we go. And if you don't want this box, maybe I need to move it up just a little bit. If you don't want the boundary box, you can select the image, and then you can type image frame and press enter and enter a value in here. So the options is 0 through 2. 0 will create the 0 will make the image frame. It will make the image frame not display, and it will not plot. Setting 1, the image frame are both displayed and plotted. And setting 2, image frames are displayed but not plotted. So let's do a 0, because we don't want the frame and we don't want it to plot either. So there's that. And of course you'll want to go in here and type in this information for the project. And since we're making a template, meaning that we want it to be generic for no matter what project that we're working on, we probably don't want to type this information in quite yet. But of course, you may want to configure your sheets here. So you can make many sheets here down across the bottom. And like I said, remember to take a look at the NCS standards to make sure that you set those correctly. So that's how we do that.